Hi, everybody. My name's Anthony Hines. For the last 40 plus years, I've been trying to help people with their job search and trying to help people with their career. Today, we're going to talk about the real enemy of job seekers. It is not the people that do not call back. It is not anything else than the obsession with perfection. That is the biggest enemy of a job seeker. People that sit there and say, oh, my resume is not good enough. Oh, I got to make some more updates. Oh, I got to fix this. Oh, I got to tweak that. That is the enemy. Get your resume out there. You're always making it better. Get your LinkedIn profile out there. You're always making it better. Everything is about small improvements, iterations. There is no perfect resume, perfect networking profile, perfect LinkedIn profile. And let me tell you something, to make it even work better for you, when you make updates to your LinkedIn profile with your new education, with the things you just remembered that you did in jobs that you didn't have in there originally, you will have opportunity with that because I want you to set your LinkedIn profile to let your network know when you have made an update. That way, when you think of something, your network is notified. When you think of something else and you put that in, your network is notified. When you upload your resume, your network is notified because they're going to be reinforced with your open to work banner, your statement at the top of your profile that tells people you're looking, and they're going to be remembering that if they get you a job in their company, they will get a referral bonus. But that happens with you switching your mindset that the instead of the obsession with perfection, you are instead consistently improving. You're consistently developing. You're consistently adding. You're consistently making yourself better. Forget the word perfection. Forget the obsession of perfection. Replace that with the iteration of improvement. The fact that today you're going to be a little better as a professional than you were yesterday by meeting new people, adding to your network, taking an online course, making sure your profile's updated, posting an article, getting involved in discussions. Think about this, everyone. Remove the mindset of the obsession with perfection and replace it with the mindset of brick by brick, the slow development and iteration that you are improving, that you are better, that you are a better professional, that you're a more experienced professional, that you have more diverse skills. Why? Because you're consistently developing yourself. Then you add in the fact that you're currently, say, studying for a certification. You want to put that on your profile. So then everybody knows that you're studying for something to make you a better professional. Use your profile as a news alert vehicle instead of an obsession with perfection. Use it as a place where people find out new things about you. And in process is not a bad thing. It's better than not having it at all. It's better than not going for something at all. Use things like in process, currently happening, words like that to show everyone who sees your profile that you are developing yourself proactively. Okay? So remove the obsession with perfection and instead understand that iteration and slow, continuous, small incremental improvements actually makes people recognize your value better because they sense and see your growth as you are having it happen. Okay? Think about that. Change the mindset. Remember, if you get rejected for a job, go out to LinkedIn Learning, take a course, put it on your profile. Do something on every rejection that shows an improvement in your skills, an improvement in your talents, because that's the person that's new. That newly educated person is not the person who just got rejected. That was the old you. This is the new you. Make these updates. Stay focused. Understand that these are things you can do to make your network know what's happening with you and how you are building a better and more successful professional that will end up being a great solution to a company. Now, there is a great announcement that I want to make too, and that is that my YouTube page has exploded in popularity. I need you to go out to my YouTube page. The link is in the description with other items. I need you to go out to that page and become a subscriber. I do short videos every day. I do other videos every day. And between this podcast and these videos, you will get so many tips you won't know what to do with them all, which is a lot better than sitting around getting no help and wondering why nobody is calling you. Look, everyone, I have been helping people since 2010. I stand behind you. I support you. So let's make it happen together. Remove the obsession with perfection and replace it with embracing incremental improvements, and make sure your network knows about every one of those improvements, because then they will be reinforced of the fact that you're out there waiting for your next great opportunity. This is a big mindset shift, everyone. I want you to do it, and I want you to do it today because it's going to help you. Have a great day, everybody. Now listen, go to my description in this podcast. Do all the items that are there, and you're going to see that your job search is going to move. Let's get out there and get moving. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.